Here's a quick demo of the audio oscillator and metronome circuit from the Forrest Mims 555 timer book. Right now I have it set up with the metronome, and that's kind of determined by the size of this capacitor right here, which is this one right here. For a metronome you want to use a 1 picofarad, I think that's how you say that, and then oscillator 0.01 picofarad, and basically here's how it sounds as a metronome. You can adjust the frequency with this knob. Oh, oops. And basically you just adjust the frequency by the value of the resistor. So here I can put another different resistor in series coming from VCC. It's a lot faster. And now I'm going to switch it to the oscillator example by just changing out this capacitor. And lastly, I'll zoom into the circuit a little closer so you can see it better. Alright, that's it for this one. Hope you learned something.